Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? So this is very urgent video for Hedera Hashgraph holder because Hedera has completely failed down in the previous day, and this is the end of month, my friends. So this is very important because a lot of holders do this very big mistake today, starting selling now. But this is not a selling time. Remember, I flew in this video, my friend, to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. And upcoming days they go up or they fail down. What's my prediction and what's my opinion? Everything discussed in this video very important. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. I can complete watch do you understand better now. Let's get started. Price prediction, my friend. But before I get started, I request you to please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, my friends, so this time, if you can see here, my friends, first of all, I draw a line 1, and the line 1 presents, my friend, the highest point of this chart, and the line 2 I draw, my friend, this present the lowest point of this chart. So my friend, after that, my friend, I draw the resistance line. You can see here, this is the resistance line. So my friend, if you can see here, this time after a very big jump, my friend, they fails down. And after that fail, my friends, they take a gain jump, and after this fails, they completely fail us down. And this time, but after this, my friend, they also take a jump, my friend. They also take a jump. So you can see here this time, my friend, after this point, my friend, they cross the resistance line. They are completely and the forward, and the change occur starting in positive. But this time, my friend, in the last week, you can see here, April 23 to April 26, they completely falls down. They are completely a negative change occur. But I hope my friend, in upcoming 3 days, they give you very good profit, and they change occur as in positive. Exactly, my friend. I see you, my friend. This time, the price of latest, my friend. This time, if you can watch, 0.312 US dollar as the latest price. So this time, if you can see here, my friend, the price is decreased now. But in the last 2 days, my friend, in the last 2 hours, and the last 3 days especially, my friend, they're completely changed occur, and they're going now. And let's check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on. I hope in the last 1 hour, my friends, they going up. So my friend, if they go, yes, absolutely, my friend, in upcoming times, they going up like a rocket. After a very bit fast, they take a jump, so they are completely going up. You can see here the change occur is 1.454% going up. So this is not a small change occur. I hope in upcoming days, they also moving up like a rocket. So good time is coming now. Please don't sell it. If you sell it this time, absolutely, in the previous days, they fails now, so they are in the loss. They give you very bad fall, my friend. They give you very bad loss. So please don't sell it, hold it, and make a good money. They give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, Hedera Hashgraph holder. Hope you understand. To upcoming days, they're moving up, and this is not a selling time. Wait for the end of this month. Wait just 2 days more. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.